The LitezAll extendable dueling lantern is actually two lanterns in one. Let's take a hands-on look. The lantern is compact and packs easily thanks to its collapsible design. While collapsed, the lantern measures 4.7 inches high by 3.3 inches in diameter. The lantern extends up to 8 inches tall, including the handles, during operation. It weighs in at 9.6 ounces. The lantern is powered by 3 AA batteries. Unscrew the base to access the battery compartment. For top performance, we recommend alkaline batteries. Remember to follow the battery orientation guides inside each chamber when replacing the batteries. To prevent cross-threading, place the cover lightly on the threads and turn it counterclockwise a couple of revolutions until you feel it click. Then turn it clockwise until snug. Do not over-tighten. To operate the lantern and select either solid white or simulated flickering flame light modes, pull both handles up and pull the lantern open. Close the lantern in the opposite direction and pull it up to change modes. The white light mode is 120 lumens with a 26-hour continuous runtime, while the flickering flame runs up to 48 hours. You may adjust the brightness of the lantern by leaving it partially open in either mode, but just remember, this does not affect the runtime in any way. The integrated flip-up handles are suitable for carrying or hanging the lantern. This is a great lantern to use on your patio, at your campsite, or on the dock while fishing.